These aren't tips, these are one-time purchases that pay you back every single month forever. Number one is a water filter. Buying bottled water every week costs $20 to $40 a month, and a basic filter jug costs $20 to $30 once. Pays for itself in the first month and saves you hundreds of dollars every single year. Number two is a French press or a mocha pot. What is a French press or a mocha pot? I'm gonna put some pictures up on the screen. And now that you understand what they look like, they are a daily coffee shop habit that costs $60 to $120 a month. Making it at home costs $5 to $10 a month, the same quality, and it is a fraction of the cost, and it will save you so much on buying coffees just by making the coffees yourself. Section number three is energy habits. What do I mean by energy habits? Unplug devices you're not using. They draw power on standby. Switch to LED bulbs if you haven't. These small things cut out $10 to $30 off your electricity bill every single month without changing your life. Number four, buy in bulk and freeze. What does that mean? That means you cook once for 4 to 5 meals. That costs a fraction of cooking daily and ordering food. Cost per meal drops to $1 to $2. If you're spending right now $10 to $15 daily on ordering food, you could make a lot of food in bulk and just freeze it and reheat it and eat it afterwards, and you can make it for $1 to $2 per meal, not spending $10 to $15 every single time on ordering food. That is a huge decrease, and that is like a 10 times decrease. So every single day, if you're doing it, if in a day there is 30 days, count it as you're either spending $30 a month on food or you're spending $300 a month on food. So that will help you a lot, and food is a really important thing to actually focus on and meal prep all the time. So grow food at home. What does that look like? Growing food at home is growing, for example, basil, parsley, mint, chives, onions, and different kinds of things that you can easily grow on a windowsill. Fresh herbs at the store cost $1 to $2 per small pack. Growing your own costs almost nothing and saves you $20 to $30 a month for someone who cooks regularly. Number six is reusable over disposable. A reusable water bottle, coffee cup, shopping bags, microfiber cloths instead of paper towels. Each switch is small, but combined it saves you $20 to $40 a month on things you're literally throwing in the bin. And number seven is generic brands. Supermarket owned brand products are often made in the same factory as name brands. Switching saves 20 to 40% on your grocery bill immediately with zero quality difference on most products. And none of this requires willpower or discipline. You buy it once and it saves you money automatically every single month. That's the smartest kind of saving, and that's how you actually can save money each month without drastically changing your lifestyle. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that it actually helped you.